Pro tip: demystifying the popular phrase. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a commonly used term in English conversations, especially online. Ever stumbled upon the word pro tip and wondered what it meant? Let's unravel the mystery together. Pro tip is a contraction of two words, professional and tip. When combined, they give rise to a term that suggests advice or a hint from someone who has experience or expertise in a particular area. It's a way of saying, here's a piece of advice from someone who knows. Example, pro tip: always save your document while working to avoid losing data. 1. Online communities. It's frequently used in online forums, articles, or social media platforms when someone wants to share a helpful hint. 2. Emphasis on expertise. When you want to stress that the advice comes from experience or expertise, using pro tip gives your statement a bit more weight. 3. Friendly advice. Even though it sounds professional, it's often used in casual settings among friends as a way of saying, trust me on this one. Examples. Pro tip: when visiting New York, use the subway during non-peak hours to avoid the rush. Pro tip: freeze grapes to use as ice cubes in your wine. It won't dilute the taste. Is there a difference between a regular tip and a pro tip? In essence, they both offer advice. However, pro tip implies that the suggestion is backed by a significant amount of experience or expertise. It carries a hint of authority. On the other hand, a regular tip can come from anyone, regardless of their expertise on the topic. And there you have it. Now, the next time you come across pro tip in a conversation or online post, you'll know precisely what it means and the weight it carries. Remember, language is ever evolving, and it's these little nuances that make it so dynamic and exciting. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.